While going on a hike, skiing, or biking, a good camera backpack needs to provide comfortable carrying, along with quick access to your gear and suitable protection for your equipment. In this video, our team looked at the best 5 camera backpacks for hiking, one for every need, whether you're an occasional hiker or the expert extreme sports photographer. Welcome to another video from my review channel. We are going to compare the best 5 camera backpacks for hiking available today and help you choose one for you. When you are ready to buy, just check the description below. Hit the Show More button to see the complete list for all products with the best offers we found, and don't forget to subscribe. These are the 5 camera backpacks for hiking we will compare today. Amazon Basics Trekker, Low Pro FLIPSIDE Trek Backpack 250 AW, Low Pro Whistler Backpack 450 AW, VANGUARD ALTA Sky F3, Low Pro Photo Sport 200 AW. Now let's get into the video. First in our list of the best camera backpacks for hiking, we have the Amazon Basics Trekker Camera Backpack. This affordable camera backpack is compact and lightweight. It offers a hands-free transport for your photography gear for short hikings and other outdoor activities. It has a padded back panel and padded shoulder straps that you can adjust as needed to ensure a perfect fit. Its features include a roomy interior which can hold 1 DSLR body and up to 3 camera lenses or other accessories like a camera flash, charger, or batteries. Also, its backside allows you to have access to the internal compartment. The Trekker camera backpack has convenient side pockets. The left serves as a compartment for batteries and/or a charger, and also provides 2 slotted pockets for pens, memory cards, keys, and more. The right side pocket gives access to your camera equipment and can be reconfigured as needed for easy access. The backpack provides a front loop designed to secure a tripod or a monopod, offering ultimate hands-free convenience. It also includes rain cover that protects your items from dust, rain, dirt, and other outdoor elements. Next on our list of best camera backpacks for hiking, we have the Low Pro FLIPSIDE Trek Backpack 250 AW. The Low Pro FLIPSIDE Trek Backpack 250 AW is an outdoor camera backpack designed for mirrorless or compact DSLR. It includes a rain cover and a tablet pocket. You don't need to put it down to get your equipment out, thanks to the FLIPSIDE system that allows you to have access to your backpack without having to take it off. It offers split camera and open space compartments, so you can take both personal and professional stuff together with all the gear you need. It has a good interior space with multiple attachment points that make it customizable for every use, based on your travel and adventure needs. In terms of storage, it has a sufficient space for your mirrorless or compact DSLR camera, and your lens below, compact tripod, personal items up top, a front pouch where an 8-inch tablet will stay suspended in a padded cradle-fit pocket, while the 2 stretch mesh side pockets on the side are perfect for grab-and-go items. It has an all-weather protection too. Overall, the Low Pro FLIPSIDE Trek Backpack 250 AW, its design is made to make carrying effortless while keeping the weight evenly distributed on your body. It's ideal for women and provides day-long comfort. Third on our list of best 5 camera backpacks for hiking is the Low Pro Whistler Backpack 450 AW. The Low Pro Whistler Backpack 450 AW Extra Pro Grade Outdoor Adventure Camera Backpack is a larger variant of the Low Pro 250 AW. It is suitable for wildlife photographers and adventurers, as it delivers its users an equal measure of camera, video, and functional outdoor gear. Its large storage can hold a Pro DSLR with up to 3 lenses, an action video camera, functional outdoor gear, and personal items. It's designed with a high-quality performance material that is equipped for extreme weather conditions. It also includes Active Zone, Max Fit, and Slip Lock technologies. Another good thing is its multiple heavy-duty attachment points that secures all type of heavy gear, such as snowboard, skis, tripod, or other hard-to-carry essentials without even blocking access to the divided camera compartment. What sets it apart from other camera backpacks is that aside from having an all-weather protection, it has a large expandable wet gear pocket with a waterproof barrier and drain holes to separate outdoor gear from the digital gear. To sum it up, with strong interior and exterior frame, and very good compartment design to suit your valuable items and adventure needs. Definitely a must-have if you love photography and outdoor adventures. Fourth on our list is the VANGUARD ALTA Sky 53. The VANGUARD ALTA Sky 53 is a versatile backpack. It offers versatility combined with reliable gear protection, can be a professional camera backpack, but also a normal backpack to carry your computer to go to work. You can go from carrying 100% gear to 100% personal. It features a well-padded, breathable 3D back, uniquely shaped, easy-to-adjust shoulder straps that perfectly contour to your back and torso. It also has an adjustable sternum strap and well-padded supporting waist belt. This backpack features a fully customizable main large compartment with rear access and a separate top opening. It has multiple access points that give you a choice of how much professional gear and how much personal stuff you will carry. This camera backpack can fit up to 1 to 2 Pro DSLRs with attached lens up to 300mm, 6 to 8 lenses, 2 flash units, and accessories, or a drone with all related accessories. Offers all the storage for your personal gear with large flexible pockets for water bottles or flasks, secure zipper pockets for wallets and other valuables, and a dedicated phone pocket with a headphone extraction port. In addition, it includes a tripod carrying system and is able to store a 17-inch laptop and tablet. It has a total coverage rain cover that can keep your gear protected in all weather, has an efficient organizer system, and a very reliable gear protection, being also super comfortable to wear. Last on our list of best 5 camera backpacks for hiking is the Lowepro Photo Sport 200AW. The Lowepro Photo Sport 200AW is designed as an outdoor sport backpack for mirrorless or DSLR camera. This camera backpack is perfect for hiking, biking, climbing, and other activities. It keeps your camera gear secure with its ultra-clinch design and bounce-free protection. Its compartment can store a flash, adapter, or an extra lens, and a 2-liter hydration reservoir. Its front pocket accommodates your extra gear, such as bike helmet, jacket, snacks, sunglasses, compact tripod, and other items. It also includes an active zone suspension, which holds the bag snugly to your body. The reinforced harness is built to provide its users a targeted comfort in your photography. It is custom fit and gives you adjustable shoulder and sternum straps and waist belt. It is made with high-tech materials that protect your bag from extreme weather conditions and easy to use. A good mix in between an outdoor backpack and camera protection. This is all about the best 5 camera backpacks for hiking. Hope we've helped you choose the right one for you. Have you chosen already? Please comment below your choice number. Are you ready to buy any of these? Look at the text below. We have looked for the best offers out there for all of them. Help us spread the voice. If this video was helpful, subscribe to our channel and tell your friends about it. Together, let's build a growing community. We are looking forward to your comments to improve this review. If you have other products you would like us to look into, just let us know. Our team of experts in each area are always looking for new ideas. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.